What is up, guys? It's your boy Travizi here, and I'm so excited to be doing another stock market video with you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, I do stock market videos and I also do sports videos, a huge passion of mine. You can find my stock market videos in a playlist on my channel. And with that being said, let's get into today's video, guys. So we are talking about Nio Stock today. So full disclosure, if you guys are going to go out and invest money in the stock market, please do your own research. This video is simply for entertainment and educational purposes only, and I am simply, offering up my opinion. And so that is that. So guys, I am full disclosure, I do own ticker symbol Nio Stock, NIO. Currently at the moment I have 197 shares, and now I started buying the stock last November 2018, as last year was when the stock IPO'd, guys. I think at around 626 or something like that, and went as much as up to $13. So I started buying the stock at about the $7 price range. So that is my average cost. So I'm significantly down at the moment, a huge portion of money. But as a long-term investor, I am not concerned about the volatility of the stock. And so, but today, guys, the stock was up big time. It rose over 30 cents, and we got it back up over the $5 price range. So it is at $5.04 a share, and that was a 6.36% gain today, guys. So it was nice to see Nio be coming up big. I'm expecting big things from the stock, as in June a couple of their new model cars are going to be hitting stores, and they have, I think, about 10,000 pre-orders on those new model cars that are coming. So I think big things are coming in the second half of 2019 for Nio, and so that is definitely what I'm thinking about. But this price range, guys, again, that it's been there's been a resistance line. Like Nio went as low as it hit a new 52-week low. It went to $4.43 a share. And so again, I think it's a good sign right now to get back up over $5. And so now we'll see what it's going to do to get back up to $6-7. But I think this stock is going to be projecting out into the second half of 2019. So it's going to be interesting to see. There's a lot of EV car companies out there in China, and a lot of them are not even, officially selling electric cars at the moment. And so I think that's obviously one step that Nio has. Well, Nio doesn't really have a lot of competition. Obviously Tesla is the big name competition. But one thing to consider, guys, is that Tesla, I think there's room for Tesla and Nio to be able to, have a successful business. There's room in the pot for both of them to be able to come up with extreme amounts of cash flow. And so, that is what, could potentially be in store into the future. So it is going to be so interesting to continue to follow the stock and what it's going to do and moving forward. So guys, if you like today's video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're looking for just specifically stock market videos, again, there is a specific playlist that you guys can find on my channel for all those stock market videos. So also, as a heads up, there's going to be sports videos uploaded. But guys, comment down below. I would like to hear your opinions of Nio Stock, or even Tesla stock, or any other stocks for that matter. Love to hear what you guys have to say. And also, let me know if there's any stocks you want me to talk about. Also, I'm thinking about doing more videos on potentially sharing with you guys the stocks that I currently own and what my position is, and my average cost basis, all those kind of things, so we can all basically learn and move forward. So again, guys, thanks for watching today's video. Until next time, I'll see you guys again. Have a great day.